Welcome to Ray's Trouble! We went to Bohol kasi wala ko pasok.
Dahil walang mga pasok, quick escape to Bohol para ma-recharge ang konti. At ayan si Kuya Sundo from our first accommodation. We stayed sa different hotel at ito yung first one. May shuttle sila. Malapit lang din sa airport.
Who's making that sound, Ma?
I don't know.
Who's in Ezekiel? Ezekiel, try to kill!
We stayed sa Hola Bay Resort.
Ang ganda ng room natin! Chico. Ang laki! Laki!
Malaki, maganda. Ayos naman, di ba?
Oh,
Mura lang to.
It has blocks, Ma.
Less than 2,000.
ingat po daw.
Nandun pa.
Come here.
Ano siya? Bago.
Mom,
Pa.
Mom, I wanna tell you something.
Sige nga, mag-tour ka nga. Room tour mo nga kami.
Mating mo
Apa.
We're creating a new video because we're on a new hotel.
Okay, sige nga. Tour mo nga ako.
We have some sleepers and something. We have a bathroom like this.
Bathroom sa bathroom sa
We
atin.
have two beds. We have to charge our phone and we have tissues. We have our own table so we can eat. I want to show you the coolest part in the world. I want to show you. We have a swimming pool.
May swimming pool sa baba, ano. And then we have our own balcony.
Yeah, you're brushing your teeth. If you need water, get some cup here, put in some water. If you need a toothbrush, you have your own toothbrush. You have your own toothpaste. Wanna show you something? We got
What else?
a toilet paper and our own toilet, and also a shower.
May shower?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Ma.
What else?
Look, we have a circle mirror, we have a window, a hair dryer, and also we got something really good. Come here. We got our own stove. And I want to show you something much cooler. We got our own table, our own shelf. We got two of them, so you can put your bed. We have our own couch, and we have something. Come.
What's that?
We have here our own furniture.
What else? What else? How about the bed? How about the bed? Na-testing mo na? Ano? Malambot?
Ma.
Oh.
Ma, come here.
Apo.
I want to show you something.
Oh, ano po yan?
Ma.
Ano po?
We need this to make the hot water so we can make some coffee. And Ati's going outside. Let's go follow him. Let's go.
May ilaw dyan.
Ma, look. What is this? Ma, what is this?
Huwag yan. Huwag yan hapakan.
Ma, look. We have our own light.
Apo.
Look.
Abot mo?
Ma'am, look, we got
Opo.
something. Base for you. Relaxing.
Relaxing. Payag ka na ba?
Ma'am.
Apo.
Ma, I'm not leaving this hotel.
Why?
Because it looks so cool.
Bouncy.
It's bouncy. It's actually bouncy.
Super affordable ng hotel na to. Less than 2,000 pesos lang per night. And we availed the family room na. Ganyan yung ambience na paggabi, sobrang relaxing at tahimik. While waiting sa lobby ng shuttle, ayan, pwede din silang maglaro. We had our dinner sa Tito's Big Belly. First time namin dito at surprisingly, mura at masarap yung food. Ikaw? Macdo. Ano sa food mo?
Good.
Sarap. Sarap. Ikaw, yung food mo, kamusta?
Good.
Makto pa rin. At hindi agad kami bumalik ng room after dinner kasi hinintay namin yung bagahe namin kasi naiwan sa Manila. So need namin bumalik ng airport para kuhanin yung bagahe namin. Buti na lang sobrang lapit ng hotel namin sa airport kaya mabilis balikan.
Oh, hollow.
Silipin mo sila dyan.
Ang baholo. Finally, yung
Avocado.
luggage.
Pado.
Finally, andyan na yung maleta mo. Good morning.
I saw a cloud. It looked like a bird. It whispered a name I thought I misheard. The sky was velvet, stitched with gold, and time was a secret never told.
Pino. Egg. Grapes.
Mom.
Who's hiding there in the silver mist? A phantom's hand or a lover's kiss? Whistle through the stars, sing to the moon, catch the night's breath in a quiet tune. Oh, whistle through the stars, carry me
On the second day, lumipat kami ng Henan Coast premiere. Ha? Tingin. Tingin, ma'am. Ano gagawa mo? Nihitip mo na. Guys.
Opo.
May galit ba kayo sa isa't isa? Ang layo nyo ah.
Wala, yung table nila eh.
How's the food, guys?
Wala po.
Wala pa pala.
Wala po. Nag-assemble pa lang si ma'am para sa prinsipe.
Robbie, how's the food?
How's the food?
Robbie? Good.
Kasi mo muna yung bed.
Something before the bathroom. I just want to show you the bed. So Ada and Papa are gonna shave. We are gonna do one pillow, and we are gonna sleep here. We have our own table, so we have a couch with a light, and we have also our closing doors so we can see. And come here, I want to show you something. We have here our 2 couch tables so we can eat. Come here. We have here, if your clothes get dirty, wash them and then put them so you can dry them. And I want to show you now the bathroom comes from. We have our own TV.
Own
We have
TV?
Put our toys. We have here our luggage. We have 4 water. And we have this one.
What's that? What's that?
Crocs.
Crocs.
I want to show you something much.
Okay.
I'm going to show you now something. We have here a safe so we can hide anything here.
Okay.
We have now to show you the bathroom. Look. We have our own toilet.
Okay.
We have our toilet paper. We have also a wash hand. We have a shower, another shower, and I want to show you something. We have our own bathtub. So I can leave it there.
Are you excited to use the bathtub?
Yeah.
What's this one?
So finally swimming time. Favorite ko sa pool.
Ano yung inaano mo sa tainga mo? Bakit nagtatago dyan? Asan yung ano mo? Tingnan mo, para kang Shokoy na hindi maintindihan nagtatago.
Mama, shokoy daw ako.
Kaya, para kasi rin ng Shokoy na takot sa tao nagtatago.
Shokoy ate. Di ba pwedeng mermaid?
Ito yung kagandahan sa hotel kasi walking distance lang niya yung mga kainan sa Alona. Kamusta yung stay mo dito? Ano masasabi mo?
Everyday pag nakita ko swimming pool, nalaligo ako dito.
Can you please rate the swimming pool?
Pool, pero naman lamig, tapos naman tinutulak mo ako, tapos naman ginadruan mo ako, joke lang, tapos naman men ako, tapos how's the chair, mama?
Opo.
How's the chair, mama?
Chair?
Yeah.
Anong chair?
Ito yung inuupo mo.
Ito. 8/10.
8/10.
How about the swimming pool?
100 out of 100.
Really?
Yeah.
Gustuhan mo?
Opo.
How about the bed?
1,000 out of 1,000.
How about the bathtub?
2,000.
Baba ang damit mo.
2,000 out of the 2,000.
Wow. Nag-enjoy ka ba?
Apo.
Kumain ka ba? Ano kinain mo?
Cereal water.
No. Nawala mo tayo. Vlog? Ano yan?
Dragon.
Pero tinanong ka talaga na.
Gusto ko ba daw marshmallow?
Eating time! Much better kung hindi nag-sleepis ako, ma.
Okay, remove your slipper. Ikaw, nakapatulog ka pa.
Pag lumingon ka, yari ka kay mama. Sige, lingon. Lingon. Pag lumingon ka, yari ka kay mama.
Kapama ko.
Sige, lingon.
May stiffnick ako dito. Masakit.
Sip nagbigla ah.
May stiffnick ako sa kaliwa. Sakit.
What are you doing?
Building a sandcastle.
Sandcastle.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she
Ito yung famous na lang roof deck pool kasi ang ganda ng view.
might change. Oh,
Ay, si mama, ay no.
carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance.
Apo, ano ginagawa mo dyan? Dito ka talaga nagkape.
I thought it was another flower.
Papa, yung anak mo.
Ang kulang pa raw.
Huwag mag-splash ng water ako. Naging sirbaw ng pinat na.
Pagdating ng hapon, tumambay lang kami sa tabi ng beach, nanood ng sunset at nag-enjoy ng happy hour.
Baby ng chicken.
Talaga?
Opo.
Wings niya yan.
Yung katawan ko sa baby chicken.
Solve na ang cravings niya.
Yeah, chicken and beer. Thank you, Lord.
Girl, ano yan, girl?
Balot!
Oh no. Gutom ka na? Takot ka pala maiwan ako sa elevator. Ano yan?
Shrimp.
Shrimp.
Nakakain mo ito ng shrimp.
Saan siya punta?
Wala na po hangin, nabasa.
Init kayo po. Hello. Apa? Ayan na. Mamuumo. Solo. Kasi ang hilit. Ay, nag-jump nga.
Nagmuni-muni kami ni Papa. Saan ko doon bumalik?
Anak ko po.
Saan ko doon?
Face mo?
Black.
May black. Kasi? Kasi?
Hindi ako nag-sunscreen.
So next time,
Hindi ulit mag-sunscreen pala.
Okay, tapos, up. Tandaan. Tandaan. Slowly.
Boiling water here to take you.
Ganyan.
These are
Up. Then, my name is Rob, Captain Robbie Reyes. My name is Captain Reyes.